Hey guys, this is Maya from mayainbacol.com, and today we are going to do a very quick unboxing and first impressions video of the Huwaei P20. So I got my new phone from the Globe store yesterday, and just a bit of a disclaimer, this is not sponsored by Globe or by Huawei. So this is my second recontracting for my plan, so I decided to get the Huwaei P20 because I read a lot of good reviews, especially for the camera and the video. So let's get to it. Let me show you guys what the unit looks like, but I basically just opened everything yesterday because I was excited, and I wanted to test out the camera and the video and so on. So this is what the unit looks like. I still have those protective stickers on it. I'm gonna just remove those later, but this is what it looks like. I got mine in midnight blue, which is, I thought it would be lighter, but this is okay. I don't mind. So it came with headphones, a charger, and then some warranty cards, and that's all you get from the box. But first off, the first thing I noticed is the port for the charger. So this is the only port that you're going to see on the phone. You don't have, like on other phones, there's a circular port for the headphones. So basically you charge here, and you also have you also connect your earphones here. So the connector for this one kind of looks like one of those for for the charger. So they have like the same shape. I don't know what you call this, but they're the same shape. This parts. So mine came with a free case, and like I said, I tested this out yesterday just to get first impressions and so on. So far so good. It is, you guys are going to see my pattern, but whatever. So this is what it looks like. I've already set up like the basic stuff, my wallpapers, my apps, and so on. So I took a few shots yesterday, and I'm going to do like a separate blog post for those. But what I like is, let me just show you guys. Let me just go to one of my pages, the Practical Beauty. So these are the tricks that I found out from tinkering with it yesterday. So what I like is that if you, for example, if you want to take a screenshot, you just knock twice with your knuckle, like that. Dang it. Let's try again. What? Hold on, you guys. So let's try again. Charan! I did it. Now, if you want to do like a screen recording, you just knock twice, but with two knuckles. Did I do it right? There you go. So screen recording, so I'm just going to deny for now. And the other thing I like is that if you, again, use your knuckle and then you draw a line from here to here. Why isn't it working? Let me just go back. I'm gonna draw a line. What? I think this is not supporting, but let me do that over here. There we go. Charan! Isn't that useful? So now you can just have that open and then go through your apps like that. So far I like most of the features. I'm gonna test this out some more, especially with video and photos. So I'm going to show you guys those in separate posts, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and check out my blog www.mayainbacol.com. See you guys later.